You can't catch me! The moonlight makes us so fast! Please, let us play in peace.
Their wings wiggle.
Yeah, but it's not very fun anymore, is it?
This has gone on long enough. I must find a better way.
Oh, Mr. Moonman, we've tried everything. Will you help us?
My dear Fairy Queen, your courage shines brighter than any star in my sky. We will not fight them. We will help them see.
Tonight, we do not run. We stand together and watch.
Charge!
Whoa!
We look like monsters!
This is how we make them feel.
We are safe, but why does it not feel like a true victory?
We're sorry. We didn't understand. It's okay. Being scared is a yucky feeling.
You see things we don't. We make a great team.
And so, the cleverest light is the one that shows us how to share the world.